There are two kinds of people in this world: those who play by the rules, and those who quietly learn how the game actually works. Niccolò Machiavelli didn't teach people how to be evil. He taught them how power really moves. And if you understand his principles, you don't just make money. You make money consistently, strategically, and without depending on luck. Florence, 1500s, a city full of wealth, politics, and betrayal. Merchants rising, empires collapsing, fortunes made overnight and destroyed just as fast. And in the middle of it all, a man watching quietly, not reacting, not complaining, observing. While others chased money, he studied something more powerful: how money actually follows power. Here's the truth most people don't realize. Money is not the goal. Money is a byproduct of influence, of positioning, of strategy. Principle 1. Control perception, control value. People don't pay based on truth. They pay based on what they believe is valuable. Machiavelli observed rulers who weren't the strongest, weren't the smartest, but were perceived as powerful. Imagine two merchants selling the same product. One looks ordinary. The other has clean branding, confident communication, and strong positioning. Guess who earns more? Not the better product, the better perception. Lesson: if you want to make money, don't just improve your product. Improve how people see your product. Principle 2. Position yourself where money flows. Machiavelli noticed something critical. Powerful people don't chase opportunities. They place themselves where opportunities naturally come. Stop chasing money. Start positioning yourself in places where money already exists. Wrong place is struggle. Right place is leverage. Principle 3. Depend on strategy, not effort. Most people believe work harder equals earn more. Machiavelli would disagree. Effort without strategy is wasted energy. One works 12 hours a day, one works 4 hours with a system. The second one earns more. Principle 4. Control risk before you chase reward. Machiavelli understood the fastest way to lose power is reckless decisions. Don't invest everything in one move. Don't depend on one income source. Don't risk what you cannot replace. Principle 5. Be feared or respected, but never ignored. If people ignore you, you don't get paid. You must become noticeable, memorable, and valuable. Unknown brands mean no sales. Recognized brands mean consistent income. Principle 6. Adapt faster than everyone else. Markets change. Trends change. Platforms change. Businesses that ignored online disappeared. Creators who adapted grew faster. Lesson: the fastest adapter wins. Principle 7. Control yourself before you control money. Truth: money amplifies who you are. If you're careless, you lose it. Lesson: self-control is the foundation of wealth. It's about power, influence, perception, and strategy. And the people who master these don't just make money once. They create systems that make money for them. So if you're struggling right now, pause. Don't just push harder. Think deeper, because the game isn't about effort alone. And once you see it clearly, everything changes. Most people will hear this and go back to doing the same things, but a few will start playing the game differently.